Welcome to the channel. Today I will tell you how to make a simple financial table in Power BI in the form in which financiers usually want to see it, and also to do it so that the table responds to the filters that are available in the report. In my example, the table contains cash flow data. Since my example is cash flow data, I have prepared the necessary measures that will act as rows in my financial spreadsheet. In each measure, using variables, we calculate the fact and budget of the required item of expenditure and then substitute the required variable through the switch function.